Okay, so we have Tesla here today. It's down 11 right now. It's been down most of the day, popping back up, but this market is getting a little bit weak. And we are, by the way, in a yellow market. And you know what I'm doing every week is all I do is I just sell the juice, right? So I've got these deep in the money 325 calls that expire today. And you can see there's very little extrinsic value. In fact, it's like a penny. And there's 10 contracts that I need to roll because they're so deep in the money, there's no more juice. But that's okay. They're about $20 out of the money, $22. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll them up about halfway, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I go to the calls for next week in Tesla, you can see that, what did I say? It's 325. I'm going to roll it up about $10 to the 335s, okay? So we're going to look at these 335s right here, and you can see the 335s are paying me about $6.50 in juice, right? But $19 is protection amount. So that's the amount that it can go down, and I still haven't lost any money. I like that while I'm still getting $6.40 per share in juice, which is about, $6,400 on 1,000 shares, right? So I like that. So we're going to come here, we're going to go from the 325s, we're going to create a rolling order, sell. We're going out to next week, and we're going to make those 335s. We'll change that to a market order. Confirm and send, and there's our fill. Let's just make sure everything's cool. Bunch of zeros there, and now we have the June 6th 335s. We picked up about $6.30, which is $6,300 for the week. I'll take it. And just real quick, I like to be in the money because if the stock comes back, I've got a bunch of protection. So we just got $1,930 per contract in protection, or $19,000. I could have lost $19,000 if next week the stock goes down by that much. But in this case, I'm protected by that much. And I'm still getting this extrinsic column in juice, if that makes sense, okay? That's why I do this, because every week, I don't know if the stock's gonna go up, down, or sideways. I do know that I'm collecting the income, collecting the extrinsic value, collecting the juice. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.